Hello everyone. In previous video, I will discuss the definition and the terms related to quadrilateral, and today we will solve the exercise. I will solve now some maths which are very important. Okay. So one number very easy, three angle given, find the fourth angle. So if we subtract the sum of three angle from sum of all angles, then we get the result. So one number very easy, no need to solve it. Two number, question number 2, exercise 12, question number 2. The question is, the two adjacent angle of a quadrilateral are 75 degree and 125 degree. The other two angles are equal. Find the measure of each of these equal angles. So first let the value of each of the equal angle be x. Therefore, on APQ, according to the question, two angle given and other two is x, then total angle sum property, sum of all angle is 360. So first angle is given 75 degree, value of second angle 125 degree, and other two x. So third angle x and fourth also x, equal to 360 degree. So it become 5, 5, 0, 10, 7, 2, 9, 10, 200 plus 2x, x plus x, 2x equal to 360 degree. So it become 2x equal to 360 minus 200 implies 2x equal to 160, implies x equal to 160 degree by 2, that means 80, implies x equal to 80 degree. Therefore the value of each of the equal angles is 80 degree. So write the answer here. The value of each angle is 80 degree. Okay, write the answer here. Answer 80 degree. Very easy. So question number 2 complete. Next is 3 numbers ABCD, A given, BCD equal. 3 number also same. Here we let angle B, angle C, angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D given, and value of each A, B, C and D is x, and other angle is given 150 degree. So 150 plus x plus x plus x equal to 360. From here we get the value of x and we get the result. Okay, so no need to solve 3 number. 4 numbers. Phone number also easy. Phone number. Okay. So one angle given 40 degree and another two angle given but not directly. Here write PM. This one perpendicular to this one and this one perpendicular to this one. That means value of this angle is 90 degree. This angle also 90 degree. Now find the value of this angle. P. MNP. So MNP, that means this angle. So value of this angle. So we use here angle sum property of quadrilateral. So 90 plus 40 plus 40 plus this angle equal to 360. So this angle equal to 360 minus sum of this value. Very easy. So no need to solve this one also. Your tax, the remaining maths. 5 number, a quadrilateral has all 4 angles of the same measure. What is the measure of each angle? See, similar thing. So value of each angle is equal. So let every angle be x. Okay. So x plus x plus x plus x equal to 360 implies 4x equal to 360 implies x equal to 360 by 4, that means 90 degree. So it becomes square because 4 angle equal, not square, it may be rectangle or square, because every angle is 90 degree. So 90 degree angle is there in case of rectangle or in case of square. So value of each angle is 90 degree. So 5 number also easy. Next 6 number. 6 number same. 6 number two angles of a quadrilateral measure 55 degree each. So therefore 55 given 2 angle, and other angle and third angle is 140 degree. 140 degree. Find the fourth angle. So let fourth angle be x, then 80 cube, sum of all angle equal to 360. From here we get the value of x. Very easy. So find the value of x. It is your homework or your task. Next one is find the measure of 4 angles of a quadrilateral if they are in the ratio 3:5:, so 3:5:7:9. So ratio given, and if ratio is given in case of angle, in case of another problem, so we let in this way the values are 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. So values of 4 angles are 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. Why we let in this way? Because if we find the ratio of this angle, then x will cut and the ratio becomes 3:5:7:9. Okay, let it came to the topic. So let the 4 angles are 3x, 5x, 7x, 9x. So 80 cube, or we know that sum of all angle equal to, according to the question, or if you give therefore then also okay, because here angles are given. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x equal to 360 degree. So what is the value? 8, 7, 15, 15 and 9, 24. So 24x equal to 360. Implies x equal to 360 divided by 24. So value of x is 15 degree. 15 degree. Therefore the angles are 3 into 15. What is the question? Find the measure of the 4 angles. Yes. So we need to find the all values. So first angle is 45. Second 5 into 15. That means 75. 7 into 15. 7 into 15, that means 75, then 90, 105. 9 into 15, 135. So these are the values of the required angle. Okay, very easy. Next one is ABCD is a quadrilateral. AO and BO are the angle bisectors of A and B meet at O if angle C equal to 70 degree, angle D equal to 50 degree. Find AOB. So first I draw the picture here. A, B, C, D, O. So in question given AO and OB is the bisector of A and B respectively. So bisector, that means this line segment bisect the total angle in two equal parts. And in the question already given the sign of equal, these two equal and these two equal given. Okay, and the question is find the value of this angle. So when it is possible to find this angle if we know the value of this angle and this angle. Okay, value of this one given, value of D 50 degree and value of this 70 degree. Okay, 50 degree and 70 degree. Question number 8. Let, so if possible to find this value and this value, then it is very easy to find and the angle AOB, because we will use here angle sum property of triangle. If value of two angle or value of sum of these two angle is given, or if we find value of this sum of these two angle, then it is very easy. Okay, so let's start. So we let value of this angle X, this angle Y. So we need to find the value of X and value of Y. So let angle OAB equal to X and angle OBA equal to Y. Then therefore value of angle A, that means total A. So here X, here X. So total value 2X. 2X and value of B similar. If value of this angle is Y, then value of this one also Y, because OB is the bisector of B. So value of total Y plus Y. Y. Now therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360. What is the reason? Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay, so by using angle sum property of quadrilateral, we can say that sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Implies, or you can use implies or, but you cannot use here equal to, because it is equation. Equal to is there, so you must use here either or implies. Okay, so value of A is 2x, value of B is 2y, value of C is 70 degree, value of D is 50 degree, so 360, or 2x plus 2y equal to 360 minus 70 plus 50, that means 120, implies, so take 2 as common, so x plus y 240, or 2 into x, or x plus y 240 divided by 2, so it becomes 120, or x plus y equal to 120. Okay, now it is very easy. Now from triangle AOB, x plus y plus angle AOB equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangle. So angle sum property implies value of x plus y is 120. So 120 plus angle AOB equal to 180, implies angle AOB equal to 180 minus 120, it becomes angle AOB equal to 60 degree. And the question is find the value of angle AOB. So value of angle AOB is 60. Okay, so 8 number complete. Nine number, the fourth angle of a quadrilateral is of the quadrilateral that has three acute angle is. So here given value of this one less than 90, acute, that means less than 90. Okay, if 80 80 80, then it must be more than 90, because if we add 490 then become 360 degree. So here also 10 degree less, 10 degree less, 10 degree less, so it is 120. It is a obtuse angle. So if other three is acute angle, then fourth angle must be obtuse angle. So MCQ 9 answer C, obtuse angle. Next 10 number, very easy. X degree 75 63 97 y degree 130. Okay, so I let this is P. So what is the question? Find the value of y. In the figures is, so we need to find the value y. only two angle given. If we can find the value of P, then it is very easy. By using angle sum property of quadrilateral, we can find the value of Y. So if we find the value of X, then we can say that value of P is same with X, or it is X degree. Okay, if it is X degree, then it is also X degree, because this one and this one is vertically opposite angle. So from the first triangle, 63 plus 75 plus X degree equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangle implies X degree equal to 180 minus sum of these two angles. So 5, 3, 8, 6, 7, 13, 138. So it becomes X degree equal to 2, 4, 42. So value of this angle is 42. So from this quadrilateral, we can say that sum of four angle is 360 degree. So X degree, that means 42 degree plus 130 degree plus 97 degree plus Y degree equal to 360. So what is the sum? It becomes 9 and 3, 9, 12 and 6, 16, 2. 269 degree plus Y degree equal to 360 degree. So Y degree equal to 360 degree minus 269 degree, 191 degree. Okay, so value of Y is 91, but in the question it is logically not correct, because here Y degree given. Okay, so value of Y, if value of Y is 91, then Y degree equal to 91 degree. Okay, and if value of Y is 91 degree, then value of Y degree how much? 91 degree. Then again in first bracket whole to the power degree. So logically the question is not correct, but if here only Y is there, then okay. If here also X is there, so value of X or value of X degree, then also okay. Value of X degree is 42 degree. Therefore value of Y is 91 degree. Okay, if we write here degree, then here also degree, then here also degree, here also. So Y degree equal to 90 Y degree, not Y equal to 90 Y degree. Okay, I think you can understand. Okay, now 11 number very easy. Okay, so here we use the second property, second angle sum property. Sum of all exterior angle is also 360 degree. So here 4 exterior angle given. Here also same mistake, 66. So sum of all exterior angle is 360 degree. That means 66 A degree plus 56 A degree plus 27 A degree plus 31 A equal to 360 degree. Or you can remove the degree in both sides, no problem. Degree will remove, then value of A will come. So what is the value? 6, 6, 12, 12 and 8, 20. 20. 3 to 5, 5, 5, 10, 10 and 6, 16 and 2, 18, 180. 180, A equal to 360. Value of A equal to 360 by 180. That means 2. Okay. So value of A degree equal to 2 degree. Here also write value of A. Value of A is 2. Okay, everything. 12 numbers also very easy. Okay, I will tell how to solve 12 number. I will only give the hint. Y 70 112 90 X Z 90. So find the value of X, Y and Z. From this quadrilateral we can find the value of X. Okay, from this quadrilateral, because and 3 angle given, so sum of all 4 angle is 360. From here we can find the value of X. Okay, first one complete. Z, it is a straight line, so sum of straight these two angle is 180, because total angle is a angle on straight line. So X plus Z equal to 180. From here you already find the value of X, so put the value of X and from here you get the value of Z. Okay, so now this value and this value not given. Here also we can find the value of this angle, because total sum is 180, so it is 110 degree. So now 110 given, 90 given and value of Z. From here we get the value of Z. So from here also sum of 4 angle, from here we get the value of X. Okay, so remaining maths homework. Okay, and one thing,